Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Voila Garlic Chicken. Begin by gathering your Voila Garlic Chicken kit and a large non-stick skillet. This frozen meal offers a fantastic solution for a quick and flavorful dinner without much effort. You will discover just how simple it is to prepare, creating a satisfying meal in less than 20 minutes. Let's make a truly delicious and easy dinner tonight. First, empty the entire contents of your Voila Garlic Chicken bag into a large non-stick skillet. Make sure the skillet is at least 12 inches in diameter to allow for even cooking. Place your skillet over medium-high heat, allowing it to warm up for about 1 minute before adding the ingredients. This initial setup is crucial for ensuring everything cooks thoroughly and at the same rate. A properly heated pan prevents sticking and promotes quick, even browning. Continue cooking the chicken and vegetables for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, stirring often. Break apart any frozen clumps as they thaw to ensure everything cooks evenly. After this initial cook time, carefully pour in 1/4 cup of water. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the liquid to help thaw and cook the ingredients more thoroughly. Keep stirring occasionally to distribute the heat. Now, reduce the heat to medium-low and cover your skillet tightly. Let the mixture simmer for an additional 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even sauce distribution. The sauce will thicken nicely, coating all the chicken and vegetables. Always check that the chicken has reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. This step ensures a perfectly cooked and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.